Okay, let's try this exponential question here. We've got f of x equals 3 to the x plus 1 minus 1. 3 to the x plus 1 minus 1. Okay, let's try. Write down the equations of the asymptotes of this function. Well, you just have to know about exponential equations. There's only one asymptote. It's the horizontal one, and it's y equals minus 1. If you know your exponential functions, you just can give the answer. Determine the coordinates of the intercepts. Well, you let x equal 0 and then figure out what y is. 3 to the 1 is 3 minus 1 is 2. So 0 and 2 is a y-intercept. X-intercept, a little harder. You let y equal 0. Then you add 1. Now here's a bit of a trick. Instead of 1, you make it 3 to the 0. Because exponential equations, you try and make the base the same. Make the base the same. Now you got to solve. The only way these two things could be equal to each other is if 0 equaled x plus 1. The only way that's going to happen is minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So x equals minus 1. There's the x-intercept. Then you take these intercepts and you take the asymptote and you sketch yourself an exponential equation. There's your x-intercept. There's your y-intercept. There's the origin. Label F. Label the asymptote. I was going to say axis of symmetry. It's not. It's an asymptote. And there's the whole thing done. And the last thing is pretty easy because it asks all the possible things y can be. Well, y can't get past this line minus 1. Look, there's no y values down here below negative 1. And that's your answer. Y's got to be greater than minus 1 because it can't be minus 1 or anything below. But y can be any real number as long as y is greater than or equal to minus 1.